we're gonna turn this empty space in the yard into this with this really nice dog kennel. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is gonna take some assembly. We're starting this at noon. I'll let you know how long it took with 3 of us working on it. We're starting to organize everything and slowly put things together. Open it, everything's, wrapped in plastic, so we're making sure to pre-open it and kind of pile it. So we're gonna put this together and give you a little bit of the install. All right, we got the base down and now we're putting the side ones up. Getting everything pretty organized, it's working pretty good. Got all the sides are up, now we're gonna stable it up with the top part. Pro tip, use a screw gun, it definitely helps. It does come with everything you need to put it together, but the screw gun makes it go a lot faster. We're 3 hours in, we're getting there. Starting to look like a kennel. Slowly but surely. Pro tip, while putting this together, it really does help to have 3 people working on it. They're working on it over there. I've been organizing parts and everything and preparing things for them to put on. Hey look, Bingo's like, whoa, I'm gonna check out this kennel. This is pretty cool. That's Bingo, he's available for adoption. Well, by the time you guys see this, he might not be available for adoption. But he's testing out the kennel for us. He's like, huh, this is pretty neat. He's gonna find every place we dropped anything, even though we did pick everything up. He's so sweet. So 4 hours and 15 minutes later, we got it up. We do not have it staked down and we do not have the top on it because, as I said, the ground is frozen. You can clearly see the ground is frozen. So we're gonna come do that when the ground thaws, but there is a nice big top that goes over top of this, so it would be nice and covered. It does have 2 doors on it. So there's a door here on the front and these are the little latches for the door. It's 10 by 20, so it's a really good size. And then here's the other door on the side here. And you probably could put the door really anywhere you wanted, but we wanted one on the side and one on the front. But we'll zoom out here. It's a decent sized kennel. So the nice thing about this is, like, for the shelter, which is where we set it up, if somebody has a dog that they're gonna bring that wants to meet another dog, you can put one dog in here, have one dog out here. If you have some dogs that don't get along, there's a space for one to be in here while having one outside. Or if you're looking for a nice outside kennel for your pets, the nice thing about it being covered is if you live where, like we do, where it snows, it would actually keep your grass from getting covered in snow, so your dogs would always have a good potty spot outside too. It's a pretty nice kennel. I will say that these are like a wire, so if you have a really, really strong dog, these are just a wire, almost like a wire kennel. They're not a heavy duty wire. These are nice and heavy duty. These are more like just a wire, but it's sturdy. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's definitely going to work. If you're looking for a nice kennel for your house, for your dogs, this could work for you.